Make sure that this is fresh. Okay, we're going to try to aim for here, okay? See? Here's that one. The amazing part about this is that even though we've been going this long, the Vim Cru still has an edge, you see? And it's definitely reflective, but it's still a cutting edge. So, still going into this. Once again, now we have two cuts going on both sides. So chain's completely look. Dwyer is always going on about this steel. This is one that he really believes in, and it's definitely one of my favorites too. See. Wait, start a new cut by accident. Damn. Same spot. Thing is, because Vim Cru has a high resistance to heat, you can keep cutting and it doesn't affect the edge of the knife. The edge won't get more soft or brittle or fall apart because of the heat buildup of a metal rubbing on metal because of that friction. So if any steel was meant to do this, it's definitely one like Vim Cru. On the knife, see that? The knife is hot, but if you look at that edge, still there. definitely not paper cutting sharp, but it'll keep going. Look at that. Almost through. Almost. Pull it. I mean, the Vim Cru did over here chip a little bit. Maybe I never worked that in very well because it's not chipping up here, and you can see the edge is actually still pretty good. And this should be the home run stretch now. Note that you can get Vim Cru to a razor edge, and you can shave with it, but it's not the best for slicing paper, and it's definitely not, a slicer. Oh, some more cuts. Did it. Bam. And the Vim Cru Strider blade is hot, but look at that edge. I mean, that I lost that towards the beginning. I was using all this area. No chips there because that's where I see the most use. Look at that.